Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. We are making Cantonese fresh rice noodle. It's from Toronto. I got it this morning. And I got some beautiful you cai, the leftover I have a couple days ago. Don't you just happy to see all green here? You rinse it, wash it a little bit. This is pretty good, not too much sand. So the bottom is a little tough here, so I'm gonna trim it off. And here I got some couple mushroom, the leftover. Give them a quick chop. A couple pieces of broccoli, some pea pot, and baby corn that I found. And some cilantro for garnishing later. And still have some carrot. See? Just give them a few thinly slices. As thin as you can. I think that's good enough. I put on the side here. And this is the fresh rice noodle. It's gonna be so delicious. Ooh, very fresh. Look at that. Some come in frozen, and you can microwave it or you can blanch it a little bit. And first of all, you gotta inspect. Let's see how thick. So this is good. They all come different size. I'm just gonna section cut like this. And this is not frozen, it's pretty fresh, so I'm just gonna cook it like this. Frying pan, heat the oil. And we're gonna get some ginger and garlic. You can use a lot of ginger and garlic. That's for flavor. Or you can put shallots. Anything that you like for flavor. And then, we don't want to brown the ginger and garlic too much. I like to stir fry the noodle first, because this is just strictly vegetarian and can be vegan too. And you can add bean sprout, any other vegetable that you can get. So give them a quick stir. And when the temperature is right, the noodle will split a little more. Okay? Let them cook for a few minutes. Just stir a little. When the noodles start getting warmer, it's easy to split. You see that? Start breaking apart. So stir fry the rice noodle. You can use any kind of ingredient that you like. You can use pretty much any kind of vegetable. Bean sprout will be a good one. You cai, the raw green is a good one. Oh, the Chinese green, those are the good ones. Alright, it's getting softer now. I think that's good. We're gonna add the vegetable in. I cut the carrot pretty thin, so easy to cook. We use two different kinds of spatula. Just give them a quick stir. Temperature control, not too high, not too low, right? Beautiful. I'm not going to add any oyster sauce or hoisin sauce, just something really light, really bright in color. Now I can feel the ginger and garlic and the oil are well balanced, mixed into all the vegetable and the noodle. And the vegetable you don't want to overcook. I can use a little sake or any other wine that you like. I'm not always cooking with the same ingredient. You want to something different. Experiment a little bit. And a little salt. We'll keep it really light today, okay? Just like that. Yeah? If you want to add more, it's okay. Some black pepper. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. So delicious. A little bit sesame oil. They call like gui jiao, cow herfen, and most popular one is the beef rice noodle. They add the soy sauce, everything. Oh, that's so beautiful. It's so light. You don't want to over stir either. You don't want to overcook the noodle. You want to still al dente, right? See, once the noodle, it's almost like a noodle roll. Once the noodle roll can break apart, you can tell. Tender. Yeah, you see how beautiful that is? It's very healthy. Couple times a week, you should cook like this. There we go. You know what? I'm just gonna serve from this big skillet. I don't feel like washing too many dishes. You always want to clean as you cook, as you go, right? That's how I do it. When I'm done cooking, my kitchen is very clean. That's why my friends always invite me to go to their house cook. And more pepper. Here we go. I'm gonna turn off the fire. Shake it a little bit. The reason I shake it is fire off, so they're not gonna burn at the bottom. But actually, that's not a bad idea. You can serve on the skillet and keep it warm for a while. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Smells so good. Stay healthy.